Hi everybody, this is your PED-110 instructor, Brian Kaprowski. Today I want to go over the exercise logs that will be due next Wednesday and will also be due periodically throughout the class. So I pulled up the log here because I want to go over each aspect of the log with you today. So with the log, if you read these very carefully, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This details what exactly I'm looking for in each of the 5 questions. Okay, so for question number 1, SMART goals. So with the assignment, with your SMART goal assignment, you learned how to create your SMART goals. So every time your log is going to be due, you are to create 2 SMART goals. And those should change periodically throughout the semester, especially as you progress with your workout program. The big thing with the log, with the SMART goals on this log is always make sure that your SMART goals are related to health and fitness, and make sure that you are specifying at the very end the time frame that you are looking for to complete that goal. I recommend you placing at the very end within the week. Okay, so use a time frame within the next week period of time. Let's go to question 2 here, which is the physical activity. So you will need to complete at least 10 activities that have to be related to health and fitness. Over the course, you will have to conduct those of 5 days. So you have 10 activities that are related to health and fitness that you're to perform over the course of 5 days. Okay, and make sure that you list each day individually. So use my example here. So you're going to list the date, the activity, and the amount of time that you're performing that activity. Okay, and I gave you some examples here. So some examples of some physical activities would be walking, jogging, biking, yard work, housework, weight training, sports, games, hiking, your exercise routine. If you're going to the gym and you're performing those exercises there, you can include that. If you're performing any kind of stretching or yoga, if time is an issue, you can go onto YouTube. You could find various yoga videos to watch, any kind of exercise videos as well that has a home workout routine that you can follow. What I don't want, and what you will not receive credit for, if you include what you're doing at work. So I need for you to perform these fitness related activities in outside of your normal routine, which would include your job. Next one here would be question 3. I need for you to provide me with the calories that you are consuming per day. So list the date and the amount of calories. So this will take a little bit of work on your part. So if you have a container that lists the serving size and the calories, take that into account, jot that down throughout the course of the day, and try to give me as close to a good estimate as possible as to what you are consuming. Your daily body weight. So again, I need you to weigh yourself for this class and specify the date and specify the pounds. So with with question 2 and 3, read these instructions very carefully, because in question 2, remember, this has to be completed in 5 days. For question 3, again, 5 days you are to record your calories. And then question 4, 5 days you are to record your body weight. In addition, down here, 5 days you are going to record your BMI, which is your body fat estimates. Okay, so in order to calculate your BMI, you're going to use the URL that you can find right here. And to save some time, I have it already open. Okay, so when you click on that URL, this is what will come up. Okay, so select your gender, type in your age, make sure this should already be the listed here as the default, but make sure that it states this. You're going to put in your height and then your weight, and then you're going to calculate. So every day your weight will fluctuate some. So I'm not looking for you to have the same BMI every day because I mean your weight could fluctuate anywhere from 1 to 5 pounds. So make sure that based on your weight daily that you're putting in this calculation here. Okay. That's all I have for the logs. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. Take care. Bye bye.